Replacing the windows in your home is a significant investment, both in terms of cost and time. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, or upgrade to more modern window styles, choosing the right window replacement service is crucial to ensuring a smooth and successful project. If you live in Sanford, Florida, you're in luck. This area offers a variety of options when it comes to window replacement services. But with so many contractors available, how do you choose the best one for your needs? Here's a guide to help you navigate the process and make an informed decision. Do your research on local window companies. Start by compiling a list of potential window replacement companies in Sanford. A simple online search can provide you with a list of contractors in the area, but be sure to check for reviews, ratings, and customer testimonials. Websites like Google, Yelp, and Angie's List are great resources for finding reputable companies with positive feedback from previous clients. Look for companies that specialize in window replacement, rather than general contractors who might not have the same level of expertise in windows. Experienced specialists are more likely to provide high-quality service, as they understand the nuances of window installation, materials, and energy efficiency. Check for proper licensing and insurance before hiring any window replacement service. Verify that they are licensed and insured. A licensed contractor adheres to local building codes and regulations, ensuring that your project is completed to the highest standards. Insurance protects you in case of accidents or damage that could occur during the installation process. In Sanford, window replacement services should have both general liability insurance and workers' compensation coverage. Don't hesitate to ask the contractor for proof of both before moving forward. Evaluate experience and expertise. Experience matters when it comes to window replacement. A company with years of experience will have developed a solid reputation for delivering high-quality results and customer satisfaction. Ask about the company's history, how long they've been in business, and what types of windows they specialize in. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient double-glazed windows, hurricane-resistant windows, important for Florida's weather, or a custom design, the right company should have a proven track record of handling a variety of window types and installations. Request and compare quotes. It's important to get quotes from several different companies to compare pricing, services, and the scope of work. Be wary of quotes that seem too good to be true. Extremely low prices can sometimes indicate lower quality materials or subpar installation practices. A reputable window replacement company will provide a written estimate that outlines the cost of the windows, installation labor, and any additional fees, such as removal and disposal of old windows. Be sure to ask about warranties and what is covered, including any guarantees on both the products and the installation. Review the types of windows available. Not all windows are created equal. Depending on your goals, whether it's improving energy efficiency, reducing noise, or enhancing the look of your home, you may want to explore different window options. Look for a company that offers a wide range of window styles, materials, and energy-efficient choices. For homes in Sanford, consider companies that offer hurricane-resistant windows, which are essential for the region's storm-prone weather. High-quality windows can help improve energy efficiency, reduce utility bills, and make your home more comfortable year-round. Check the company's reputation. A window replacement project is a long-term investment, so choosing a company with a solid reputation is key. Look for businesses with a proven track record of customer satisfaction. Ask for references or check online reviews to gauge the quality of their service. Also, consider asking friends, family, or neighbors in Sanford for recommendations. Personal referrals from people you trust can often lead to finding reliable service providers. Understand the installation process. A successful window replacement project goes beyond just purchasing high-quality windows. It also depends on the quality of the installation. Ask the company how they handle the installation process. Do they use their own in-house team, or do they subcontract the work? In-house teams are generally preferred, as they are typically better trained and more reliable. Ask about the timeline for the project and any potential disruptions to your daily routine. A good company should be transparent and communicative about how long the process will take and what you can expect along the way. Conclusion: choosing the best window replacement service in Sanford requires some research, careful consideration, and a focus on quality. By evaluating experience, comparing quotes, ensuring proper licensing and insurance, and considering the company's reputation, you can make an informed decision that leads to a successful, stress-free window replacement experience. With the right service, your new windows will not only enhance the beauty of your home but also improve its energy efficiency and protection from the elements.